Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to message someone on Roblox, step by step, so you can communicate with your friends easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Make sure both you and the person you want to message have messaging enabled in your Roblox settings. To do this, tap on the More button, then tap Settings, then from the menu select Privacy. From the options up here, tap on Communication, followed by Experience Chat. In the Experience Chat section, select Everyone and Direct to Everyone. Step 2. Go to the home screen of the Roblox app and locate the profile of the person you want to message. You can do this by hovering over their avatar or tapping their profile circle. Step 3. Tap Chat on their profile page to open the messaging window. Step 4. Enter a subject line for your message and type the content of your message in the text box. Step 5. Tap Send to deliver your message instantly. Step 6. To check sent messages, go to your inbox by tapping the 3 dots, then select Inbox and view the Sent folder to see all messages you've sent. Step 7. The recipient can open their inbox, read your message and reply by typing a response and tapping Send. Step 8. Both the original message and the reply will appear in the conversation thread, showing a complete chat history for easy follow-up. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips.